Hi there, this is I think part 7 of the Fulfilment video series. I finally got my microphone working. Hopefully it's not like the audio quality is okay. What I've been working on the last couple of days has been the crafting UI. So if you go to anything with the craftable tag on it, it will now open up this recipes and crafting queue. And what you can see is the player inventory. These are the items that I have in my inventory currently. These are the recipes that are allocated to this workbench, which is just like chop firewood and a test. Both of them do the same thing. If I click on one of these, it will add it to the crafting queue. And likewise, if I click another, it will add that. And these are the items in the workbench that will be queued up for crafting when you use the interaction for it. What I can do is I can add items, and you'll notice that it's removing the ingredients from my inventory and adding them to the workbench's inventory. If I now queue these up, eventually we'll run out of items in our inventory, and it will say that we're unable to do any more. If I remove some from the queue, it will add the ingredients back to my inventory. And yeah, so this is basically the user interface for crafting. If I remove one, it will add all the items back. And the intention for this is, once I've exited this is now stored in the items or the workbench's item queue, and then when I interact on it with a build interaction, it will then work through the queue, creating those items and spawning them out. That's still to do. If I switch back to the crafting menu, you can see that it's not saved its state at all, because the crafting queue is currently attached to this piece of user interface and not attached to the workbench itself, so that's mainly the next piece of work I need to do. Other things. Other things. We've got this 0 hours timer down here. This is basically going to be how long it will take you to, when interacting with like the hammer tool, how many in-game hours it will take to craft the total number of things in this queue. What will happen is that it will, every interval of time, it will remove one from the queue and spawn an item in the game world, similar to if I was using, say, like the axe on an object. So here it's spawned a wood icon. If we were over here with the hammer working on the workbench, it will gradually spawn items off of the queue as they get completed. Right, so that's the plan for next time, and yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any questions or comments or feedback, I'd love to hear them. Stick them in the comments, and thank you very much for watching. Cheers.